Okay, welcome back to Street Swarm. God, I hate those noises. Oh, you're easily killed. So my brother said, "Where?" I did not realize that this thing is pretty much the easiest thing to kill. I got a few misses, but most of it is just hitting him. Really shocked me. Really, you little cow. Just hear the little from it running. Yeah, it's gonna definitely be dead. And that's where I got that. Dude, just die. I want those things that he drops, cause why not? Also, the song name. Give me those 3 Oreo jellies at least. And we got one over here. My brother helped me out with that. Cause I did not realize what this is. To use a royal jelly dispenser. Oh, yeah, I should also check. Man. So, red teleporter leads us up there. What do you want to do? Yeah, quest. My that is still so satisfying. I just love the winning sound though. That's so freaking satisfying. But also we have instead of that one all the way over there, we got this one. This one is more better. You may be asking why? It's because it costs honey. And now I'm here. Right? I didn't. We're going to just jump. Son of a... You just... Okay. So... Fudge. We're going to see if I have this. Since this... That's pretty good. Yeah, bubble 1. Every time say bubble somewhere on the field. Yeah. The thing I want is... How much does this one? Oh, not that good. Blue bubble mask. Yeah. Top blue collectors. Son of a gun. Hate that noise. Guess what does this? Oh, yeah. I don't need a gift. son of a gun. Oh yeah, I don't have you. So how much time do I have left? 5 minutes. Oh, there might be a secret right there. I am definitely going to be a regular. What does that do? Yeah, critical chance. Blah blah. Holy! Good job. Tokens. And murdered it for me. So, back to science beer. No. This is on here. Okay. Oh, it's a royal jelly. I wish you could sprint. Looks like you could go. Oh, ooh. How's that? Black Bear's title? Really? Who names it Boss? I want to get there. How do you get the translator? Also, I'm going to be ending this. I forgot which key it is. Oh yeah, 7. Goodbye.